Starting Word Unit 3, we are going to go ahead and cover creating a business letter with a letterhead and a table. We've talked previously about the setup of a business letter, and now we're going to dive into creating an actual letterhead versus just having a heading on your business letter. And then we'll also learn how to enter in a table into a Word document later on in this unit. So if you do not have your format markings on, go ahead and click up here and get those turned on. We also want to change our layout to a moderate margin. And then we want to go ahead and change our color theme. Now most of us are going to want to come up here and come to themes, but remember this changes your font and your color. And I told you we just want to change our color. So if you remember, we have to come down here to Publishing Layout View. We come over here to the 4 squares, and we're going to change the color to Executive. Once we've done that, then we come back to the Print Layout View, and it'll take us back to that normal view that we're used to. Now we're going to go ahead and start creating the actual letterhead, and we're going to use some shapes. So come up here under the Home tab, under the Insert area, we're going to go to Rectangles, and we're going to click that middle rounded rectangle. So we want it rounded on all edges. Go ahead and just click and drag and draw it. Just like we have done the pictures in the past, we can go ahead and change the size. And so we want to go under the purple Format tab. I want to change the height to 0.5 and the width to 7. Alright, and you'll notice that that automatically changes there. Now we're going to go ahead and change the color or the style of the shape. We want to go ahead and make this the bottom brown down here. So click on that. Now we're going to go ahead and add some text into our shape. We need to right click on the shape, and you're going to go Add Text, and we're going to type in all caps, Heartland Tractor Club. Now obviously we want to go ahead and make this a different font, so we're going to go ahead and triple click it, come back over to the Home tab, and we're going to change it to 22. And we're going to change the font to Comic Sans. Alright, and it should say Heartland Tractor Club. Notice that it's automatic white. Alright, so we're going to click out of that. Then we're just going to click on the shape because we want to deselect the text. Come back up to the purple Format tab, and we want to come up here to the Wrap Text. Now this is a very, very important step, because if you do not do this correctly, then it's going to mess up the rest of your business letter when you start typing it. Okay? So we want to come down here and we want to wrap our text top and bottom. And like I said, if you do not do that step, or you skip it, or you pick the wrong thing, then you are going to mess up later on down the road. We're going to go ahead and enter in some pictures next into our letterhead. So go ahead and save at this point. So we're going to do File, Save As. I want you guys to save this as W3-P for practice exercise.